Alright, so right now we are in my Google Drive. This is where I keep all my documents in my EDCI 270 folder. Over here is the document that I just created that was just collaborated on with a fellow classmate. In order to make a new document, all you have to do is go up to this New button here, and they'll give you a whole bunch of options here, but you're going to want to click the Google Doc, and once you do, it'll open a brand new tab with a new document. That is how I made this document here. Now in viewing this document, you can see I had already written here my theme and why I chose my theme for this course. As you can see, my peer that I shared it with edited this document. If you click right here on the edit button, it'll show exactly what they did, what time it was, the date, and everything. It's definitely enhanced my document quite a bit because it brought up points that I did not think of at the time and definitely helped. So that is how you create a new document in your Google Drive in your folder, and that is how you access what edits have been made.